beauties, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install clip-ins using the braid down method. I love this method because it's healthier for your hair and it allows you to add more clips to achieve a full look. You can wear this style up to 2 weeks. Let me know what you think in the comments, what you think about this method. Have you tried it, or are you open to try it? Don't forget to like this video, it really helps me out. Also, turn on your notifications and subscribe if you would like to see more healthy hair care videos. Always stay beautiful and see you on the next video.